Anthropic just built a free school for its own product, and almost nobody's talking about it. It's called Claude Academy. It launched quietly on August 20th, and it is not a marketing page. It's real coursework, real certificates. But the reason Anthropic built it right now says something uncomfortable about how most people already use Claude. Claude Academy lives at academy.claude.com, and here's the part that matters. You don't even need an account to use it. Every course is free, no sign-in required, no paid Claude subscription needed. Make a free Claude account instead, and you unlock progress tracking and completion badges you can post straight to LinkedIn. That's a genuinely rare move. Most companies lock their best training behind a sales call. So why build this now? Anthropic already had the answer sitting in its own data. Back in February, it published an analysis of nearly 10,000 real Claude.ai conversations called the AI Fluency Index. 85.7% of people iterated and refined their prompts just fine. But only 8.7% ever fact-checked what Claude told them, and just 15.8% questioned its reasoning at all. People know how to talk to Claude. Almost nobody double-checks it. The Academy is structured around what Anthropic calls the 4 Ds: delegation, description, discernment, and diligence, the exact framework it uses to onboard its own employees. The foundational track runs deep. AI Fluency, Framework and Foundations is a 4-hour course with 14 lessons and a quiz, and AI Capabilities and Limitations covers 13 more. This isn't a page of tips. It's sequenced coursework, and the library keeps going past it. Workplace rollout guides for admins, profession-specific use cases, live webinars. Past the fundamentals, it splits by product, separate tracks for Claude.ai, Cowwork, Claude Code, Claude Tag, and the developer platform. A total beginner and a developer wiring up the API land on completely different paths, not the same generic welcome email. There's even a Claude Academy skill that uses Claude itself to recommend your next course, the AI teaching you how to use the AI. Now here's the part almost every article about this launch glosses over. Claude Academy is not the same thing as Claude certification. Certification is a separate, proctored exam through Pearson VUE, 4 tiers running from associate up to architect professional, $99 to $175 per attempt, 120 minutes each, and a scaled score of 720 out of 1,000 required to pass. And unlike the free courses, certification is not open to just anyone. Registration requires a work email on a domain that belongs to a company already inside the Claude Partner Network. Freelancers, students, curious professionals without that badge on their business card can take every single free course on the Academy and still never be allowed to sit the exam. 2 products wearing almost the same name. One is open to literally anyone with an email address. The other is a resume credential locked behind an enterprise partnership. Confuse the two, and you'll waste an afternoon hunting for a sign-up button that was never going to appear for you, or assume the whole thing is a corporate perk when most of it never was. Here's my actual take. The free side of this is genuinely good. Anthropic's own usage numbers show the real skill gap isn't prompting. It's knowing when to doubt the answer, and the discernment and diligence material goes straight at that. The certification side is a recruiting funnel dressed up as education, and that's fine too, as long as you know which door you're actually walking through. If you use Claude for anything beyond casual chat, spend the 20 minutes on the free foundational course before you spend another month prompting by trial and error. It's the same material Anthropic hands its own new hires on day 1, and it costs you nothing to take it. The certification can wait until your employer asks for it. The fluency shouldn't. That's today's lesson. New AI story every day. Follow and subscribe so you don't miss what's next.